Hey guys, welcome again and thanks for coming. It's Nancy, but you already knew that. Today I'm at King Number 9 Garden, and it's also known as Suan Luang Praramkal in Thai. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and if I'm not, please forgive me, my Thai friends. And you have to teach me. But anyways, today my friends and I decided to have a small picnic after not seeing each other for over a month now. But I can assure you that we are taking all the required precautions. We have our masks, mine is somewhere here, and we were keeping the distance just right. And let me quickly tell you just something small about the park. First of all, before I do that, in my 4 years, this is the first time I'm coming here, and I don't know why I've never come here. It's such a beautiful place. So many things to do, like you can come jog here, and there are people on boats on that side, and to my left is a botanical garden with such beautiful flowers that I cannot smell, unfortunately, because I have a nausea. That's a story for another day. So yeah, it's the biggest green park in Bangkok, and it was built about 30 years ago to commemorate the 60th birthday of the deceased king. And yeah, it's in this place is called Prawet, still in Bangkok. It's really a nice place to get away from the really busy Bangkok. It's nice and quiet. You can come here, get a nice spot, and just sit with your book and just get lost. It has so many trees and such a beautiful scenery. Like, I cannot show you in this video because I haven't started editing yet. But when I do, I'll be showing you pictures. But go look up King Rama 9 Park. It's really beautiful. Like, as I see, if you Google it, this is the first building that you see. But in front of me is like sort of like a man-made, an artificial lake. I don't know if I can call it a lake. I also don't want to call it a swamp. But it's just a nice place with water and a nice fountain. Yeah, so if you ever come to Bangkok and you want a nice place to come relax and just get away, come to King Rama 9 Garden. There's so many parks actually in Bangkok. There's the King's Park, there's the Queen's Park, there's Lumpini Park, which is also very beautiful, and then there's Benjasiri Park, which is in Phrom Phong, the one that I was at the other day, and then my favorite, Chatuk Cha, because it's very close to me. There's like really so many parks. I don't think I've said all of them, but this is the one that you have to come to. I'm recommending this one. And also, wait, I have to tell you how this all started. When I was leaving the house, it was drizzling, and I thought the drizzle was just gonna stop at some point because it wasn't too heavy. And then I went over to pick my friend who stays about 20 minutes away from me. So I picked her, we bought some food, and then we took a taxi. Now on our way here, somewhere on the highway, it just started raining really hard. And at that time, me and my friend were like, okay, I think we didn't make a good decision here, because we clearly saw it was raining, but we decided that nothing was gonna stop us. So on our way, and somewhere in the middle of the highway, it just stopped raining, like just abruptly. It's so weird when that happens. You know, it rains and then it just stops. And then when we got here, it was nice and sunny, and we were meeting 4 of our friends. They were already here. One thing I have to tell you, if you are ever coming to meet friends here, please make sure that your friends know directions, because my friends, I love them, but yo, we were here for like an hour trying to look for each other. So either come together or make sure your friends are really good with directions, or maybe I'm the one who's not good with directions. Either way, get your friends who are good with directions. And yeah, so we've been here for about from like 2 o'clock, yes, and we've eaten and we're just now chilling and relaxing. Yeah, so I'll be here for another 30 minutes before I go home. So again, thanks for coming, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.